guys, assalamu alaikum. You're tuning into Things for Fun. Today we're going to be doing a handcuff challenge, and wow, are these satisfying to hear. And so what we're going to be doing today is like you see in the title, we're going to be doing a handcuff challenge, and whoever wins this challenge gets $100.
You know what this means?
Okay, let's do the Morgs intro. Whoever wins gets $100. So let's. And it's pretty easy to understand. All we have to do is put Hussna's hand. Hussna's gonna stand over here, and then I'm gonna wait. No, wrong way. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put this on myself.
Where do I put my money?
Put it in my pocket because I'm gonna win.
No, it's my money because I'm gonna win.
Let me
It's
wrap
already
that
in my
for you.
hand.
And here's the key. Let's just throw it out of the cat. Okay, let's get this started. Let's get the challenge started. Okay, here. Let's make an agreement. You sit over here and draw. You sit over here and draw on the table, and then I'll watch TV.
This is not the right way.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. So much acting.
Please.
Girl, sit. It's not that bad.
Oh, you want a fist?
I won't bite. I promise.
Are you sure about that?
Oh, and ow. And there goes us sleeping. Speaking of sleep.
Oh no, not again.
Okay, can I draw now?
I'm sure you can draw.
Yay, thank. Okay, I can't hug you right now.
Don't hug me. I don't need your hugs.
Yeah.
Don't get annoying. Hussna, stop. You did so much. Can we just go now?
No, I need to finish this. If you're not annoying too much, please. I need to finish this. I need to just put some shades over here to finish this painting off. Oops.
Why do you say everything off? Fa, da, na.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. Here's a flashback.
Wait. Okay. Okay, I'll do one more, okay?
Okay, let me just. No! Oh my gosh. Just let me.
No, please.
I'm gonna ruin your painting.
Please. I worked on this day and night. Day and night. Get it? Get it? Day and night. Okay. Please let me. John Hickenlooper, he broke the law. What else is he hiding? Okay, just need to finish off. What's this? See, just need.
Jeez, it's crisp.
What? Okay, no, I just need a block. Actually, leave some page.
Hi, how are you doing?
I was never asked.
Okay, finish up.
Okay, fine. Okay, I just need to. What are you doing? What did you say to the camera? Just need the last coast and then I'm done.
Coast? Yes, all you need is the last coast and you're done.
Yep. Okay, I need to finish off the black too. Okay, I'll finish off.
Play the Nintendo waiting music.
I'm a radio star. 10 hours later. Now we just need to do one little hint. Stop! Now time to this hard mode. I'm Bob Ross, the best painter in the world.
I want to take this off.
Okay, I think I'm done. Wait, you can't.
Cat, throw me the key.
Sorry, he's not here. Oops. Oh, there's
Was that a
nothing
ghost?
here. Okay.
As my mom would say, no, it's just the wind.
It's just wind.
One time, I have a story for you guys while it's not finishes. One time, we were all at the table eating food, and then everyone was there, and then something in the closet, it just dropped suddenly, and then I asked my mom, what is that? And then she said, use your other hand, you have another hand. And then she said, it was the wind, and the window was closed. And then it was a big conspiracy theory. That's a true story, guys. Are you done now?
Nope. I need to go to the bathroom and take this off, so yeah. I'm here, move over here, scooch.
You have another hand, use your other hand.
Ow!
Bored? What do you mean? I'm not bored. Okay.
Okay.
Whenever I pick up my hand, you pick up your hand.
Okay.
You ready? 3, 2, 1.
Ah!
You hurt my hand, Charlie. You bit my finger. Okay. Okay. Let's go do some shopping and get some ice cream.
Let's go. Let's get candies now. I said I want the scrunchie.
I don't care. No. No, you can't reach. We're getting the candy.
Too tight.
We're getting the candy.
No.
No, we're getting the candy. Let's go get some candy. Okay?
But you're gonna get fat.
Okay, guys. Remember earlier we went shopping? Here's what we got. Here's a magic trick, guys. Don't tell this to anyone. If you say magic, and then anything you want, so all you have to do is say, for example, if I say magic, give me a ball. I have a ball now. Okay? And then if I say magic, take away the ball, it's gonna be like this. Magic, take away the ball. Okay. So here's what we're gonna do.
We need ice cream.
Wait, no, we didn't buy ice cream, but here's what
Give
we
me
did.
my ice cream.
We were gonna buy it, but we were short a few dollars, and that's why we learned the magic trick, so we can just make some ice cream appear. Magic, give me some ice cream off the Walmart shelves of the freezer. Here's our ice cream with our spoons. Okay, let's dig right in.
Ooh, I love that they're so small. Look at it. They can.
They're small like me.
Ooh, fizzy. It's vanilla.
First,
Homemade
we have to.
vanilla. Guys, get it? Homemade vanilla. We made our own packet.
Oh yeah, it's blue though.
Sponsor.
And if you guys didn't know, this video is sponsored by Think for Fun. If you haven't already, subscribe to Think for Fun.
Go and
We will
subscribe
steal
over
all
there.
your ice cream and your cookies. That's real. Because all we have to do is do some magic, and then we'll teleport to your house, and then we'll steal all your ice cream. I'm not joking. Have you not seen me before? Here's a flashback. Ooh, my next victim. Let's see if they subscribed or not. By my magic, I don't think they subscribed yet, so they're gonna be my next victim. Let's steal their ice cream. He's right here. Why didn't you subscribe to Think for Fun? Play the romantic song.
Nope.
Once you look up, you're gonna be in love with it. I wish it came with chocolate.
Let's play this in slow-mo. I'm joking. Let's play it. Do you remember those burgers and the milk? I mean, not the milk. I'm sorry, the ice cream. I don't think it's
And
going.
2 burritos.
I don't think it's going very well in here.
Water and salts are absorbed, causing the waste products to become firmer and turn into stool.
Nice.
I mean, it's going well for me.
So this might take a while for me to finish from the bathroom.
Okay, what? What are you doing?
Let's go to the bathroom.
No!
I have to go so bad.
No, go!
Okay, let's go then.
No, I'm staying here. I'm staying here.
I can't pee and poop that far. Okay, what do you want to do then? You want to get uncuffed?
I'm gonna take a while in there. Your final go.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
wanna
Who
quit?
want the money?
Or do you want to quit?
I want the money, so let's go. Ah!
Okay, are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
I'm gonna take a while in there, guys, so Hussna might die after coming out, so I'm just gonna win by default.
Okay. Help me. Okay, let me. You could go now. I'm getting out.
Are you sure with it?
Give me out.
What's
give me out.
wrong?
Cat, give me out.
What's wrong? What happened?
It smells so bad in there. What did you eat? Cat, please come here.
Do you want to quit?
Nope.
Cat, throw us the key. Hussna wants to quit. There's the key.
Cat, thank you. Give me it.
Nope.
It smells so bad.
Are you sure you want to quit?
Yeah.
Okay.
Get me out of this thing.
Oh no.
It's not like hard. Go away.
No, you do.
Okay, so if you guys didn't do
I'm
this
just
video,
only here from the outro.
get out of here. Get out of here. You did the camping outro, so now it's my turn to do it by myself. I'm a lone wolf. Okay, if you guys didn't do this video, please make sure to smash that thumbs up button and subscribe and share with your family and friends. And if you want to see more fart content from this channel, make sure to subscribe. And we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.